Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Edge browser on your Honor 50 Lite. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app right here. Now write Edge browser and press on the loop right here. Now when you see something like that, click on the install. After it's done, open it. You can sync your PC account or any other device account if you want. I'm not gonna, so sign in later. From here, we'll need to confirm to the terms and conditions. And no thanks for this. And our app, the browser is fully functional. We can use it normally right now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.